Let this be a motivational boost for you. I'm about to make 35K. I already cashed in half and signed the contracts for another half, for 3 months of my time. Furthermore, I wanted a kick-ass old car that is hard to get, and some dude from my small town wanted to sell. I bought it and it's excellent. I'm a second owner and the car is 17 years old in very good condition. How did I do it though? I'm not sure, to be honest. Unfortunately, I'm not that self-aware yet, but I'll describe what I've got so far. 1. I was super specific. I'm making 10K, 15K, 20K. I own black Mercedes C63 AMG. 2. I typed it down and read it every night once, but not more. Just to remember what's coming. 3. I let go and I didn't expect anything. I just convinced myself it's gonna happen, like I used to believe Santa will come and bring me stuff on Christmas, 100% sure it's gonna happen, but no idea how in the world it works. No visualizations, no meditation, no vision boards, or anything like that. Actually, none of the goals I used to visualize become reality. It never happened and I was very disappointed, so it doesn't work for me at all and I do not recommend it.